Hi there, today I am making steamed bread using my instant pot. This recipe is from my mom. I'm just using flour, yeast, salt and sugar, and then I'm adding rama for just more fluffiness, and then I'm gonna mix that with water. Make sure your water is lukewarm, and then just keep on stirring, and then I'm gonna dive in with my hands because it's easier that way compared to the spoon. Then I mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. And when it's ready, I just close it and let it sit for an hour, and then come back and mix it again. And then after that, I'm going to let it grow again for maybe 30 minutes. And then I'm going to put it in my pan that is coated with rama, and then I will make sure that I put it in a plastic so that the steam does not escape. And then I secured this plastic with a sellotape just to make sure that we don't get any water dripping in. And then I put it in my instant pot, and then I set the pressure cook timer to 45 minutes. And then when it's done, it's going to be so delicious. Instant pot is a lifesaver, guys. Okay, so now it's done. And then just be careful with it. Maybe let it sit for 2 minutes and then cut the plastic off. Oh, look at that. Still a bit hot, so I'm being careful there. And then I'm just gonna take it out. And then I'm gonna cut it. Look at how fluffy that is. It is so delicious. And then I'm just gonna spread rama and enjoy it with rooibos. Let me know if you try it on the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.